Hello there, we're cut off there in the middle of the live chat. Somehow I must have pressed something to cut Peng off. I'm going to let him finish what he started.
All right. So I guess the last sector that that would employ our graduates will be within healthcare, in hospitals, in primary healthcare, in secondary healthcare as well, health prevention, so to speak, with active SG as to promote healthy living, active lifestyle, and stuff like that. So we do have a broad range of industries that would employ our graduates because our program is fairly broad in nature. And if you want to specialize in the particular specializations, like say, for example, if someone might want to do physiotherapy, they can move on to do a master's in physio or master's in occupational therapy or master's in nutrition if they choose. 5 more minutes.
So this is the last 5 minutes of the SSM live chat. I'm sorry that we just cut off a few moments ago. If you've got any final questions, please post them now and we'll do our best to answer them. Thank you for joining us this morning. I'm going to pass over to Prof. Koon in the centre to give us a few last words as the head of the SSM program. But we're hoping that all of you who have joined us can actually make an application to the program for this coming August. And we hope to see many of you join the program in August as well. So over to Prof. Koon.
Okay, so
to wrap things up.
Yeah. So first, I think I just want to thank my 2 colleagues that are helping us to to answer most of the questions that posed to us. As mentioned early on, if you do have any question, please send it to us. This program, I already mentioned, quite a number of times that the intake is small, but we are committed to produce high quality graduates, and the industry partner, they say volumes about the quality of this program. So when you join us, it's our commitment to prepare you well with your passion and your interest. We are definitely going to prepare you well, give you a wide range of exposure, both academic and as well outside academic, local and international, to ensure that you have a good learning opportunity, at the same time well equipped with all those knowledge and skill, and be able to serve as a leader in this industry moving forward. So do consider seriously to join this program so that we can work together with you, to fulfill your dream and serve the sports industry in Singapore and beyond. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. We're going to be logging off now. Should you have any further questions, please pop them onto our Facebook website, send them in by email, even better, and don't be afraid to call us if you have anything that you need to ask. Thanks for joining us this morning. We wish you all an enjoyable weekend and a safe weekend. So cheerio.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.